morning, it's Tuesday morning and I'm just heading off to the lecture. I'm a little bit late so I better get going, but I'll show you Chelsea today, which is exciting, which is my main university which I study at.
National Rail Service.
Finished the lecture and we're going to head now to go to Pret to get some lunch. What are you doing? Filming a vlog this week. Say hi to camera, Hassan. You're hiding, you're so camera shy. So I just arrived back to uni from Pret. I didn't get any food because I wasn't feeling that hungry. So I'm just heading up to the graphic design studios now and I'll show you around. The entrance to graphic design studios over at UAL in Chelsea. Here is the entrance hall. This is the first studio. And I'll show you to the second one, which is somebody's inside. I'm just here waiting to start my Unheard Voices tutorial.
I'm flying.
I just finished my one-to-one and now we're heading to get food because I'm so hungry and we've got a talk. Oh, it's Hassan.
That was me. That's the dinner and we've not actually bought any food. Let's go get food now.
Are you recording me?
Of course I am. Oh, I'm so tired.
Tired?
Yeah, look, can't you see?
Hi everyone. Thanks very much for inviting me, Peter. It's a pleasure to be here at Chelsea School of Art.
So I've just got off at the tube station and I am so tired, so tired. I'm gonna go home and cook some dinner and hopefully fall asleep.